In this video we'll see the most searched word in the internet, monolith. So what is it? An alien tool? Drops from space? What is it? Mystery explained. So let's have the intro. So let's see a basic definition of what is a monolith. A large single upright block of stone, especially one shaped into or serving as a pillar or a monument, is called a monolith. So monolith, in simple words, is just a pillar. So who discovered this monolith and where? On November 19, 2020, state biologists of the Utah Division of Wildlife Resources were in southeastern Utah carrying out a survey of bighorn sheep from a helicopter when one of the biologists spotted the pillar and told the pilot Brett Hutchings to fly over, so they were the first to encounter this monolith. So monolith in 2020. Many people started believing that this monolith was an object or a tool placed by aliens, and many thought that it was a stone, a polished stone as well, as it resembled in 1960s A Space Odyssey, which is a science fiction movie. So location of this first monolith. The exact location of the monolith was not disclosed by the DPS to prevent people becoming lost while trying to find it. The site has no public services such as parking, restrooms or cell phone service. But thanks to the development in science and technology, people were able to track down the location where it particularly was. So on November 20, the Utah Department of Public Safety posted a photo of the pillar on Instagram. On November 23, the DPS released videos and photographs of the object but not its exact location. So people saw this monolith as a tourist spot and started taking pictures. So the structure of monolith which appeared in Utah. The metal structure stood 3 meters tall above the bedrock, with each of the sides being 58 centimeters wide. A triangular prism, it had 3 sides, was not magnetic and appeared to be made of 1/8 inches stainless steel or aluminium sheets, joined with rivets with a hollow interior. There was a silicone caulk or epoxy along the base, and striking the metal produced a dampened sound indicating some type of insulation inside. The pillar was assembled using blind rivets, suggesting human origins but making it difficult to determine its age. So this is the reason why many people started believing that it was the work of aliens. So monolith started appearing at different places. After a week of its discovery, monolith disappeared from Utah and reappeared in different parts of the world like Romania, California, Pittsburgh, Poland and even in UK. So these are the pictures where it was discovered. So who removed it? Who removed it? As the monolith started disappearing after every week of its discovery, people were curious that who should have removed it. So photographer Ross Barron, who visited the monolith, described the photos of how 4 men suddenly appeared that night, pushed the object over and dismantled it before carrying it off in a wheelbarrow. So here you might think the people who have dismantled it would have known how to assemble it again. So here's the question mark comes, whether this work was by aliens or we fellow people. People started making money with this monolith. So is it a money making monolith? On November 27, a group called The Most Famous Artist has been posting up clues and behind the scenes pictures of the constructions of monolith on the Instagram account. The group, which is based in Santa Fe, New Mexico in the US, also offered to sell the monolith for around $63,000. This is a basic nature of human being, to make something out of nothing. So how did it occur at different places? Well, you might have this doubt while watching this video. Then on November 30, there were reports of similar monolith being spotted in Batka Domeni Hill in Romania. The surface of Romanian monolith, however, is covered with looping scrolls unlike the Utah monolith. But till now no one has claimed the responsibility of this monolith. Then a new monolith was discovered in California, similar to that of Utah. But then it was torn down by the locals. Till now it is unknown who kept that and why. It could be true that someone, a fan of movie, a Space Odyssey, would have kept, or some locals would have kept to grab the attention and publicity. So, conclusion, what might be? So, monolith is said to be 50% prank as people try to imitate the one which was found in Utah, and 50% alien activity. But the credit goes to the person named Slivanslag's Instagram account who removed the monolith, claiming it to ruin wildlife, and there is no issue in the appearance of monolith. So in this screenshot you could see what he said about the removing of monolith. We removed the Utah monolith because there are clear precedents how we share and standardize the use of our public lands, natural wildlife, native plants, freshwater sources, and human impacts upon them. The mystery was infatuation, and we want to use this time to unite people behind the real issues here. We are losing our public lands. Things like this don't help. Well, this 2020 started with a massacre and ended with a mystery or so-called some stupidness. So we'll see how 2021 will be. Let's hope for the best. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you all for watching. If this monolith would have occurred in India, what you would do? Let me know in the comment section.